this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Halloween silhouette card. So I started with a piece of basic black that is 5.5 by 4.25, and I'm going to use the rectangle dies and the Stitched with Whimsy dies to cut out the border. So I used the largest Stitched with Whimsy die, and then I used the 4th largest stitched rectangle die to cut out the middle. So here is the Scary Cute bundle. It has the stamp set and these fun dies with bats and a moon. And I put these 3 bats on washi tape so I could more easily cut them out and keep track of them. This cute little banner and the cat and the house, and then this fun little die too. Now I have my card base, and I also have this 5.25 by 4-inch piece of basic white. I'm going to use Parakeet Party and Gorgeous Grape to color my background. So I'm going to start with the Parakeet Party, and I always start off the paper. And it looks like I have a lot of ink on one of the sides here because it's making these marks, which I don't like. Okay, so now I have my background. I'm just going to place this on top about where I want it. And then I'm going to use my Stamparatus. So now I'm going to use my Stamparatus to stamp where I want the kids. So I'm going to move this over 1/4 inch, and then I can put this on. I'm just going to hold it there for a moment. And then I can take the kids out of my stamp case, and I'm just going to place them down here because they're going to be trick-or-treating down there. And then I can pick them up, and then I'm going to move the top piece out of the way. I'm going to straighten this up a little bit, and I'm going to put this up here so it's out of the way. Next, I'm going to use my Memento black ink, and I'm going to ink it up several times because I want them to be really dark black. Okay, that's looking great. I love using the Stamparatus to get a deeper, darker color. So I'm just gonna clean that off and remove the kids. I can take this out. So now I'm going to start assembling the card. I'm going to adhere this down. And then I can put dimensionals on this piece, and I'm going to be using a lot of dimensionals because there is a hole in the middle, so I want to make sure I'm supporting all the areas of the cardstock so it doesn't look like it's sagging. So I'm going to place this right over top. And there we have our silhouette scene started. So now we just need, okay, so now I'm gonna add the house and the bats. The house I'm going to put on dimensionals. So here's the creepy house that the kids are going to trick or treat at. So we'll put the moon up here, and then we have the big bat over here. And then we've got another bat right there. And we'll do this bat right here. And there is my Scary Silhouettes card with the Scary Cute bundle. I'm offering a card class with the bundle. You'll get supplies for 2 of each of these cards. Just use my current host code when you place your order and email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it out to you for free as your gift for purchasing this bundle.